Our today's question is from the chapter Differential Equation. The question is, find the particular solution of the differential equation within bracket y minus x square y bracket close dy is equal to within bracket 1 minus x cube bracket close dx with y0 equals to 1. So this is the question, and we have to find out the particular solution of it. I'll discuss that there are two types of solutions are there, as you know. One is general solution, another is particular solution. I'll show you the difference at the end of the sum. If it was general solution, then what is to be done, and if it is particular solution, as in this case, what will be the answer, where you will leave the answer. So this question, since I need to solve these differential equations, we know those differential equation can be solved by three methods. First is variable separable, second is the homogeneous equation solving, and other is linear differential equation. So first and foremost, we got to identify that this comes under which category of the three. See, this differential equation is y minus x square y dy. This is equal to 1 minus x cube. I'll try. Can we do it as variable separable? See, from here, if I take y common, so we get 1 minus x square dy. 1 minus x square dy is equal to 1 minus x cube dx. So this is y, this is y, this is x. So if I leave y dy here and if I shift this on this side, so this becomes 1 minus x cube by 1 minus x square dx. See, very nicely, y and x have been separated out. So this is y dy is equal to, this is 1 minus x cube. This 1 I can think it as 1 cube. So this is a cube minus b cube. A cube minus b cube formula is what? We know a cube minus b cube. A cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. This is the formula of a cube minus b cube. So this I can write a minus b, so 1 minus x into a square plus ab, 1 into x plus b square, that is x square. Down, this 1 I can think it as 1 square. So this will be a square minus b square. A square minus b square is 1 minus x into 1 plus x. A plus b into a minus b. So this 1 minus x cancels. So I am left out with y dy is equal to 1 plus x square divided by 1 plus x. This I can write 1 plus, from this x plus x, I can take x common, I am left out with 1 plus x divided by 1 plus x. So y dy is equal to this by this by this, x into 1 plus x by 1 plus x plus 1 by 1 plus x. So this 1 plus x cancels. Okay, now we'll do integrating. So if we integrate, we'll integrate this thing. If we integrate, so we get integration of y dy is equal to integration of x dx, this part is x dx, plus integration of 1 by 1 plus x dx. From here I am coming here, so this will give me integration of y dy will be y square by 2. Integration of x dx will give me x square by 2. Integration of 1 by 1 plus x will give me logarithm of 1 plus x to the base e plus constant. You can write log base e, or if you want, you can write ln as you wish. Now this 2 I'll multiply that side. So if I multiply, this will become y square is equal to 2 getting multiplied. So this 2 and this 2 cancels. This becomes y square, and this will become twice of logarithm of base e 1 plus x plus 2c. So this is equals to x square plus 2 log base e 1 plus x 2c I can write it as c dash. So y square is equal to this. So this is my general solution, which is the general solution. General solution. Now, but here they have asked me particular solution. They have asked particular solution. Since they have asked for particular solution, so we'll have to find a specific value of this constant. In case of general solution, this arbitrary constant c will be there, but in case of particular solution, this value won't be there. So they must have provided us with some value. They have given us this logic. What logic? y0 is equal to 1. What does it mean? This means that value of x is equal to 0 and value of y is equal to 1. Means when I am substituting value of x as 0, the value of y becomes 1. So in this equation, if I substitute in place of y 1, so 1 square, so this will become 1. X square, so this will be 0. Twice of logarithm of 1 plus x, this is x is 0. So logarithm of e is also 0 plus c dash. So from here I am getting c dash is equal to 1. Therefore, the required particular solution is, what will be the solution? Y square. This was my solution, general solution, x square plus twice of log base c 1 plus x plus c dash. Value of c dash is 1, so plus 1. That's my answer. Now I'll share another sum with you of similar type, which you will do and you will leave your answer in the comment section.